Pioneers Heating and Air was called to a home in San Marino, California, for an emergency AC drain line repair job. The client had noticed that the drain line from their air conditioning system was leaking, which caused water damage to the attic floor. Our team quickly went to work and identified the leak's source. First, we identified the leaking AC drain line and located the damaged portion. After removing debris from the clogged line, we replaced the fittings with new durable ones. Later, we tested the connection to ensure it was tightly sealed against leaks. With reliable parts and correct installation, we provided complete satisfaction to the client. This long-term solution spared the homeowner from further repair costs and property damage. Is your air conditioner ready for the hot summer days? If you are in South Pasadena or San Marino, California, we fully understand the importance of having an HVAC system that runs like clockwork. Pioneers Heating and Air is a BBB-rated provider of high-quality HVAC maintenance and air conditioning repair services. From installation and parts replacement to preventive maintenance plans and emergency repairs, our team of certified technicians will give your system the attention it needs to ensure optimal performance. And better still, we offer discounts for certain services. So call us at 626-217-0559 or visit www.pioneersheatingandair.com to learn more.